Hello everyone, Jacketing here. Y'all have been wondering, where did the S2000 go? Where was it? What happened to it? Built the car and then it disappeared. Well, now I can finally talk about it. Because the little S2000 and I went to NCM to do a shakedown, and immediately we went down to Georgia to film the Getaway driver with Discovery Channel. It's seen some shit. I'm not gonna tell you which because the debut is happening next Monday. I'm gonna put the date right here. You'll find it. It's on Discovery TV channel and it's on Discovery Plus streaming platform. We did some really cool stuff and a lot of things that S2000 shouldn't be able to do. And really, it's pretty gutsy performance if you ask me. There's a lot of heart, a lot of love for the car, and frankly, this is only one go I can show you because that's all I'll say. That's enough teaser. That's teaser enough. If you want to watch along on Discord channel link below, we will have a watch along all together for all the fans, all the friends, and I'll be there and we'll chat and it should be a lot of fun. That'll be all for this video. You want to find out what happened to that car? You go find out yourself because I don't want to look at it again. All right, roll the trailer.
You've seen the movies. You've played the video games. Now, you get the real deal.
So you know the deal. You get away, it's yours. Get some!
I am here to win.
The goal is to basically survive. Get out as fast as I can. He's coming out. There we go. Get away from me!
That's a lot of money right there.
If you wreck or get caught, I get a refund.
24 of America's best drivers put their own cars on the line in a real-life chase.
The series premiere of Getaway Driver, July 19th at 9 on Discovery and stream on Discovery Plus.